Date is March 25th. 3 days after the start of spring, or 4 or something. 2013. I think this one's going to be remembered in the history books. Let's go outside. It snowed. It started snowing yesterday at about 7:30 in the morning, and it did not stop all day or all night because it's still falling. Yesterday, Megan cleaned off the cars in anticipation of going to work, and then when she got inside, she got her call that school was called off, and I got work off too today. There's the back of the pickup truck. Somewhere in there, there's a stack of firewood. Let's go up front. See if we can get the dogs to frolic in the yard. All right, come on, pups. Wow. I don't know if I've ever seen snow this heavy, this deep. Come on, Henry. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh yeah, these are bushes. Yeah, pretty tall bushes actually. That one survived. That one not so much. Really, really incredible. And it's hard to believe that it's still going down. All right. Well, I have ventured out today, and I think that's about it. I think I'm going to go back in and not come out anymore. Henry! Come on. Okay, you guys need to go in your cage. Go in your cage. Alright, good pups. Just till you dry off. Just one more thing. Deck here. This is our table. On our table, we have a piece of 3-inch PVC pipe that I had marked off like a ruler, and it was 10 inches tall. Actually, you can see it underneath there, and the snow is clearly above the pipe by at least an inch. So we're looking at, on this table, 11 inches. That's probably close to 12 out in the yard, you know, in certain structures. I don't have a ruler. My tape measures are outside. So, anyway, there it is. There's the great spring snowfall of 2013 that you will hear about for ages. Goodbye.